Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying physical and basic software settings because most delay comes from signal processing. Swap to a high-quality HDMI 2.0 or better cable and plug directly into the TV. Once done, enable your TV's game mode and turn off motion smoothing and post-processing that add latency. On the Xbox, go to Display Settings and choose the native resolution and refresh rate, making sure the console isn't upscaling or forcing VRR incorrectly. Next, fine-tune behavior between the console and the TV so frames arrive smoothly. Turn on VRR if both devices support it. If it introduces stutter, set a fixed refresh rate that matches game output. Temporarily disable HDCP to rule out overhead from capture streams and close background apps on the Xbox to free processing. Use the TV's labeled low latency or game HDMI port and update firmware on both devices. Manufacturers often reduce latency in updates. Finish by ruling out network and audio as culprits and performing a full verification. If you stream or use remote play, switch to wired Ethernet to eliminate network-induced lag. For audio mismatch, use your TV's audio delay or choose a direct audio pass-through to the receiver so sound aligns with video. Finally, test the Xbox on another lower latency monitor or TV. If delay persists, document behaviors and reset display settings or contact support. If problems remain,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.